Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Poland. The link and coupon will be in the description and let's go. Open description and click on link Wi-Fi eSIM and open this website and click on this and write Poland. Click on this, open new page and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed data and click on unlimited and choose a speed plan light, plus or premium. I'm select 30 days premium speed unlimited data and click on buy it now. Alright, and write a discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. This good price and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on pay now. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.